Great. Hello, this is George Senda. I just wanted to film the tree in Barrelista. People are in here and they're not usually open in the front, so I've never filmed Barrelista. So they're decorated for Christmas. I come here a lot for coffee and do the internet. They've changed things a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go back out. Flying mobile birds. Oh, there's Whiskey Lane. They're decorated. Across the street. Subway isn't. Cheap sandwiches. Nail salon isn't. The real estate group has a Grinch and a Santa. I love the pole. I love the sign. Look at this sign. I have to get real close to read it. North Pole. I love the icicles. And here's the Santa. I like the Santa. Winter Wonderland. This is very cute. I'll have to ask them where they got it. Here's their tree. And the presents, a little lit up presents. Let's see what a house goes for. Concord, $510,000. Barrelista Highlands in Napa, $365,000. Martinez, $699,000. Martinez, $399,000. Here's one, $399,000 in Concord. Here's one in Moraga, $1.2 million. Crockett, $650,000. 4-bedroom house in Martinez, $589,000. And now you know. Okay. Lavender Moon. This is kind of a neat shop. All kinds of pillows and stuff. They're big into Christmas. I love the decorations. Lots of pillows and cute stuff. If I had the money, I'd be buying some pillows. They went all out here. I love the little cute reindeer, whatever they are, boots or stockings or tap for mice or something. I don't know, they're so tiny and cute. Gotta ask her where she got those. I've never seen ones like that before. They're so cute. Okay, let's see. These guys have poinsettias. This is a Greek restaurant, Troy Greek Cuisine. Years ago, it was a Florsheim store. Hello. No decorations there. That used to be DiMaggio's restaurant before they had a fire. Bar Cava. No decorations there. And how are we doing on time? Let's see. No crepes and cream decorations. Homage. This is fairly new. Artisan Eatery. They have a tree. Let's get the tree. Tree is not a tree without lights. To me, not orange slices. Thank you. They had a pinball machine, but they got rid of it. Okay. And we have Starbucks. No tree, no... Well, they have Starbucks gift card as a tree. And the guy delivering stuff. I forgot to turn the damn light on. Hold on, I'm running out of time anyway. Forgot to turn the light on. And finally I will get the giant tree here in Santa's house. Running out of time. And the law office across the street. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay warm, people. Bye-bye.